Hi guys, this is Angie. So has this ever happened to you?
Oh my God.
I know, it's pretty embarrassing. But this is what happens on a typical day at my mom's house.
I
got dumped afterwards. Wait, I lied. I never get dumped. I hate it when my mom's like in the car with me and I can't drive correctly because she's always yelling at me like for no such reason. Ugh, I just want to strangle her. It's okay. She's my mom. I love her. Oh my God. It's so sad because my mom can never recognize my voice. She always mistakes me for somebody else or my sister.
Hello? Oh, what's that? Oh, mở á. Oh, mẹ. Oh, khoan á. Oh, ní. Oh, chị đó.
She doesn't love me. I'm just kidding. She does love me. She loves me most. My mom is always in denial. Trust me. Oh my goodness. Check it out. This is what happened the other day. Even when I asked her if she did it, she still denies it.
Mẹ giờ tới anh kêu nó muốn tàu tiền chứ mà gì đâu quá. Cho nó một số nó có thừa, mẹ tóc theo.